Samsung has officially unveiled the Galaxy S25 Edge, and now we have a complete look at the device, including critical details about its design, specifications, and anticipated launch date. Unlike its siblings, this model, according to Ice Universe, features an incredibly slim profile at just 5.84 millimeters in thickness. That makes it the thinnest Samsung phone in years, noticeably slimmer than the standard S25, which sits at 7.2 millimeters. Weighing only 162 grams, the S25 Edge promises an ultra-light feel, something modern smartphones rarely offer anymore. But does this extreme slimness come with compromises? Recent renders leaked by WinFuture show that Samsung is offering the S25 Edge in 3 colors: titanium jet black, titanium silver, and titanium icy blue, which are the same options as the S25 Ultra. But there's a noticeable design difference here. Unlike the S25 Ultra and the regular S25, the Edge ditches the black camera rings around the lenses, opting instead for a cleaner and more uniform camera layout. It resembles the previous S24 Ultra more than anything else, and honestly, it looks sleeker and less cluttered. It boasts a flat 6.7-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED screen with an FHD Plus resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The bezels are razor thin, almost matching those of the high-end S25 Ultra. The primary shooter is a powerful 200-megapixel sensor, the same high-resolution camera found in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This will be paired with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, allowing users to capture detailed and expansive shots. In addition to this, the phone is expected to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM. However, the phone's ultra-thin body comes at a cost. The battery capacity is set at 3,900 mAh, making it the smallest battery in the S25 series, trailing slightly behind the 4,000 mAh cell in the standard S25. Additionally, charging speeds remain capped at 25 watt for wired charging, which is somewhat underwhelming compared to competitors offering faster charging solutions. Additionally, while the S25 Edge does away with the third camera lens found on its siblings, Samsung seems to be prioritizing software-driven enhancements to compensate. Samsung has yet to confirm a launch date, but Leakster Yan claims the Galaxy S25 Edge will be released in April exclusively at MWG in Vietnam. New Immobile reports an April 15th launch, likely for pre-orders with availability by the month's end. The phone will come in silver, black, and blue, offering 256 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes storage options with 12 gigabytes RAM. Model numbers for each variant have surfaced, along with accessories like a silicone case and a faux leather-kind suitcase. While pricing remains unconfirmed, leaks suggest it will be slightly pricier than the S25 Plus, estimated at 1,200 to 1,300 euros for 256 gigabytes and 1,300 to 1,400 euros for 512 gigabytes.